back in our garden. Please click here and subscribe. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Everyone, welcome back to our channel, and if you are new here, you're welcome, and thanks for tuning on. Today I'm Brigy. Today we are in the kitchen. We are going to prepare a delicious healthy meal from what we got from our garden. It's gonna be easy and a simple method without using any oils, so I believe it's healthy for you. So sit down, enjoy, and let's get started. I'm going to start with 4 potatoes. I'm going to put some water. And put the potatoes there to slow down getting brown. The amount of potatoes depends on the size of your family, so you can use 2 or 3, but for me I'm using 4. I've done. Now washing the potatoes. I'm going to slice them using a mandolin, and you can use a knife if you don't have this, but at the moment I prefer this because it will cut even the same size. That will help me to cook the same amount of time, and I'm going to keep this to help me to not cut my fingers, right? They are not so thin and not thick, and the same size, And I'm going to put them in the water to slow down the brownish color. It's done, same amount. Not so thick, not so thin. Now I'm going to wash them to remove excess starch and wash thoroughly to make sure they are clean. The potatoes are done, but at the moment I'm going to steam the potatoes using this machine. But first I'm going to put some water. I'm adding 1.5 cups of water, but It has also minimum and maximum measurement signs inside, so you don't need to worry about putting excess water or little. And then it has 3 layers, and I'm going to start fixing this. Yes, make sure it's fixed correctly. Then I will put my potatoes. I'm going to put the second layer. Yes. And the potatoes. I'm going to use 3 layers because I don't want to put the potatoes over each other. Yes, and this is the third one. Now it's ready, and I'm going to set it on 20. As you can see, the power is on. It's gonna take 20 to 25 minutes to get ready. Yeah. As you can hear some noise, I'm not sure if you can, but as you can see, the steam is coming out, and as we wait for the potatoes to get ready, let's prepare the rest. And I'm starting with spring onions. I'm going to use 6 eggs. Then I'm going to use a whisk to mix. Sour cream, 250 grams. Mix a little bit together slowly. And also 1 tablespoon of salt to taste. You can add spices that you like, but at the moment I just use simple spices, which is good for your health. And I'm going to add the onions. Mix together. going to add this is homemade, a mixture of tomatoes, carrots, bell peppers, and parsley. Yeah, but I'm going to put on 1 tablespoon. It's done now. As you can see, it has stopped himself, right? And I like to see fast, but let me take out the lid. Yes. And I like to check fast if they're ready. You see, they're ready. Okay, now it's time to take them out. I'm going to light on fire. I put medium to high. Spread some butter, which is 2 tablespoons, and I'm going to use this pencil to spread the butter to make sure the food does not stick. I'm going to leave them for 3 to 5 minutes. Then I will go in with our mixture. It's really yummy. Look at this.
Yummy!
And I'm going to flip it. You can also use your favorite cheese, and if you don't have cheese, no problem, you can skip it. I'm adding cheese because my family loves cheese so much. Food is done, so let's taste it. Looking yummy. It's amazing, guys. You should try this. It's amazing. Amazing, yummy. You should try this, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more, and let's catch up in the next video. Bye bye.